Alright, this one is for my dill pickle lovers. This is my dill pickle pasta salad recipe. Cold pasta is mixed with crunchy dill pickles, sharp cheddar cheese, green onions, and a creamy, fresh dill dressing with pickle juice. If you love pickles, you're gonna love it. Let's make it. Cook your pasta noodles, and once it's done, strain and rinse in cold water. Add pickle juice to your pasta and mix it in and set it aside for about 5 minutes. This is going to allow the pasta to absorb some of that pickle juice flavor while it sits. In a small mixing bowl, mix mayonnaise, sour cream, fresh dill weed, and pickle juice. Now you're going to strain that pasta once again and remove any of the extra pickle juice that the pasta did not absorb. And then you're going to pour in the creamy dressing. Then add in diced pickles, green onions, and diced cheddar cheese. Give it a really good mix. Then add in pepper and salt. Now I know you're going to want to dig into this and start eating it, but I'm telling you, wait. Let it sit in the refrigerator for at least an hour. The longer the better. The dressing is going to soak into that pasta and the flavors are going to build and you are going to have a delicious pasta salad. For the full recipe with ingredient measurements and additional tips, please visit forkstail.com. And if you love this recipe, you'll also love my pickle dip, so be sure to check that out on my website too.